Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today's card is going to be a nice, quick and simple card, as you can see here, using the Cause for a Celebration stamp set, this stamp here, as well as the beautiful bouquet. Move them out the way. So there's a lot to do on this card, and all we're going to do is bring in a standard C6 size Whisper White base, and I've created a little mask out of a post-it note that measures 2 inches by 3, and that's going to be placed in the centre of our card like so. Simple so far? Good. So I'm going to be using lots and lots of colour. So I'm going to be using Gorgeous Grape, Night of Navy, Smoky Slate, Melon Mambo, Pumpkin Pie, as well as a Pineapple Punch. So lots of colour on this card, as you can already see. So shall we get started? So I'm going to bring in my big block here, where I've already chose all the colours I want. As you can see, I haven't cleaned them yet from making this card, so this is going to be fun. So I'm going to start with Night of Navy, the darkest colour, and it's going to be this little flower there, and all I'm going to do is ink it up and pop it down quite sporadically. And you kind of want to be quite firm with this because of the matte layer or the mask layer. You might find that it doesn't stamp perfectly, but if it doesn't particularly matter. Don't stress. I'm going to pop that back and bring in this stamp, which we're going to be stamping in Melon Mambo, which is here. Now my ink pad is very juicy, so I'm just going to ink it up and swipe. What this will do is just stop it from being too inky. But as you can see, it still is quite inky. Bring that there. There. See, I'm not going to go back over it because it's handmade. It's not supposed to be perfect. And I'll leave that as that is for now. The best bit about this is you can always come back and do more. I'm going to bring in the Pineapple Punch, and I'm going to use this little flower here just onto an A block, and I'm just going to stamp that again quite sporadically as and where I like so, and take that off and bring in, shall we do Pineapple? No, we'll do Gorgeous Grape first. Again onto the A block, just put that again sporadically as and where you like. I'm going to bring one here as well, and here, and that will do for that one. So my fingers are getting quite inky as I'm trying to be quick for the sake of the video, but please take your time don't need to stress about time like I do. And finally, pumpkin pie with this little dot flower, and I'm just going to put this again sporadically around. I'll do that there, like so. That off. And finally, I'm going to bring in smoky slates for the leaves. I think because there's so much colour on this card already, I didn't want to include green. Not that I have anything against green, but there's a lot going on. So let's keep it quite simple. Put that there. One there. There. One there. Need some grey here. Like so. So, because my inks are really juicy, you'll see when I lift this off, it's not going to be perfect. This is better than the actual main card, but there is a few dots of ink. But that's fine because I adapted, and I'm going to bring in a piece of Whisper White that measures the exact same as our mask area even, so that's 3 inches by 2, and I'm going to bring in that lovely sentiment from the Cause for a Celebration stamp set and Memento ink, and I'm just going to ink that up generously and place that on the mat like so. How simple. So I'm going to bring in dimensionals, just one for each corner. And I'm just going to place that in the area that was masked off, like so. And there you have today's card. Super quick and easy, and perfect way to make an impact with colour. So why not pop into the description bar below to see a full list of the products used and where to purchase them. And while you're down there, why don't you like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and share to your social media so you can show everybody how quick and simple it is to make such a pretty card. I will see you around. Bye guys.